Hi everyone, so today we are going to be replacing this side brush motor for this Roborock QRevo. Please make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any videos like this.
Okay, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is make sure that your robot is off. So hold down the power button if it's not already off. Next, we are going to take off the mop heads, the brush, and the side brush over here. Okay, now you're going to remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws from the underside of the robot. Keep in mind that one of these screws will have a white sticker on it if it is your first time removing the screw. This white sticker is an indication that you're avoiding your warranty. Okay, now that the 5 screws are out, we are going to lift off this lower cover and set it aside. Now, here is the side brush motor that we want to replace. There are 3 screws holding it in. One here, and one right over here. For this, I'm going to need to switch my number 2 Phillips to a number 1 Phillips. Okay, now here's the best part. You just lift this right up, and there are no wires. Careful not to drop the screws. It's just 2 contacts. There are no wires there to connect or disconnect. Once you have your new motor in hand, just place it right back in the same place and tighten the screws back up, and the rest is just the reverse of what you did for removal.
So yeah, it's that simple. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Thank you. Bye.